Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy a PHP project on Hostinger. First, sign in to Hostinger and access your control panel. Next, create or select a hosting plan. Then, go to the File Manager section. Compress your PHP project into a zip file on your local computer. Now upload the zip file to the public_HTML directory using the File Manager. Extract the zip file inside the public_HTML so all PHP files are visible there. Then, ensure your main file is index.php so it loads as the home page. Check and configure your database under MySQL if your project uses one. Next, edit the database settings in your PHP files with the correct Hostinger credentials. Then visit your domain, link to Hostinger to see your PHP site live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.